This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering the assets. Pick the photos and one or more music files you want under them. Once done, trim each track roughly to match the total slideshow length so the audio won't cut awkwardly. Next, import both images and audio into your editing app or slideshow tool. This creates a timeline where you can align visuals and sound. Make sure your workspace shows both a photo track and an audio track so you can begin syncing immediately. Now you sync visuals to the soundtrack. Place images sequentially on the timeline and adjust each image duration to match musical phrases or beat markers for rhythm. Then split the audio into segments if you need different clips under specific photos, and add short fades between audio clips to avoid pops. Use volume envelopes or ducking under spoken parts or captions so the music supports, not overpowers, the content. Make incremental plays to check pacing and emotional tone. To finish, export the photo project using common settings. 264 video with AAC audio at 44. 1 or 48K HC so playback is reliable across devices. Once exported, preview the file on the device you'll use to display it and confirm sync, volume balance, and total duration. If things go wrong, audio drift, wrong length, or clipping, go back, nudge frame durations, or retrim the music. Reapply fades, then export again. A test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.